सचिका हम कहाँ हैं?
यहाँ पे हम बीच पिक्चर्स खिंचवाएंगे and the beach is so clean, you can clearly see, so we have some fun. भैया आपको चीज सैंडविच या वैसा कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा? The water is so clean and beautiful.
I swear. And you're loving it? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है गर्मी में पानी में.
So beach was fun and now we all are dressed again because one of our batchmates, Nadia, she stays here and she's from Goa. So we're going to her place for lunch. Actually, she's coming to pick us up and we'll be spending some time with her and probably she'll take us to a market she was telling about. So yes, we're very excited to meet her in person. We've interacted virtually.
Our restaurant is in this building. वो बेंच के पास वाला पीछे का माइक है कि पास वाले दुकान बोर्ड से. That is our restaurant.
Ready?
Yes.
Hey. So we are going to try and have some bibinka now.
Yeah. And you're hoping
It's a market Nadia is taking.
she said that you have to walk here because parking issues होंगे वहाँ पे and she has her car with her.
Yeah, I'm just vlogging the pack. तुमको चलिए She's trying to look at थोड़ा सा ले लेके स्पेशलिटी है.
What?
If you guys are coming to Goa, कुछ चाहिए so comments में बताओ Nadia will help you. She'll make an itinerary for you guys.
Yes, exactly.
So today is our second last day and अभी तो हम फिलहाल अपना Airbnb चेंज करना है because ये लास्ट दिन के लिए खाली नहीं था तो हमने दूसरी जगह लिया है कैंडोलिम साइड. So बस अभी पैक वैक करके गाड़ी बुक कर दी and we leave for there. Bye house one.
Bye.
So this is our second place. This is the drawing room area. और ये सामने सोफ़ा है. ये भी सोफ़ा का बेड है इधर. Then यहाँ बालकनी है बहुत अच्छी सी with seating and pool view है. We've got the pool view here. The pool looks so good. And ये है पूरा यहाँ का view. Then इधर we have the kitchen. Kitchen is here. Again ये किचन में भी एक बालकनी है दिख रहा है. ऐसे फ्रिज भी है यहाँ पे. And then washroom. And then this is our room. ये सोफ़ा का बेड के लिए करता है. वाह यार, it's cute.